Using pendulums for divination is a practice that involves harnessing the intuitive and energetic connection between the pendulum and the user. To use a pendulum for divination, start by selecting a pendulum that resonates with you. Cleanse and charge the pendulum to clear any residual energy and infuse it with positive intentions. Find a quiet and calm environment where you can focus without distractions. Hold the pendulum by its chain or string, allowing it to hang freely. Establish the directions for yes and no responses by asking the pendulum to show you each direction. Once the directions are established, center and ground yourself, clearing your mind of any preconceived notions. Ask clear and specific questions, keeping them open-ended or with a simple yes, no answer. Observe the pendulum's movements and interpret its responses based on the established directions. Practice regularly to build a stronger connection with the pendulum and refine your interpretation skills. Remember that pendulum divination is a tool for guidance and self-reflection, and it's important to trust your intuition throughout the process. Choose a pendulum. Select a pendulum that resonates with you. It can be made of various materials such as crystal, metal, or wood. Ensure it has a weighted object at the end and is attached to a string or chain. Cleanse and charge. Before using the pendulum, cleanse it to remove any energetic imprints it may have absorbed. You can do this by holding it under running water, smudging it with sage or incense, or placing it in moonlight or sunlight for a few hours. Once cleansed, hold the pendulum in your hands and visualize it being filled with positive energy. Establish yes, no responses. Sit in a quiet and calm environment where you won't be disturbed. Hold the pendulum by the chain or string between your thumb and forefinger, ensuring it has room to swing freely. Begin by establishing the directions for yes and no responses. You can do this by asking the pendulum, show me, yes, and observe the direction of its swing. Repeat the process for no. This will vary from person to person and pendulum to pendulum, so it's essential to establish your personal connection. Center and ground yourself. Take a few deep breaths and focus your attention on the pendulum. Clear your mind of any distractions or preconceived notions. Ground yourself by visualizing roots growing from your feet into the earth, creating a strong connection.